Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn a new poem, poem number 14, My Books, page number 31. The writer of a poem is anonymous. It means unknown. In last lesson, lesson number 13, Sultan Ghiyasuddin in the Qazi's court, we learned that in any situation, in any tough situation, we have to do our duty very well. And now in this poem, we are going to learn about a relationship between a book and a student. The relation between a book and a student, we are going to learn through this poem. So now I am going to start the reading of this poem. So student, please repeat after me. I love my books. They are the homes of queens and fairies and knights and gnomes. Now, here the poet is trying to say that he loves his book. And his book is the home of queens and fairies. Fairies are the character which we met in a fairy tales. Knights. In this knights, just look into the textbook. The spelling of knights is written as Knights. And the spelling of gnomes is written as Gnomes. In both the spelling, K and G respectively are silent. You have to write 10 such words in your notebook in which first letter is silent. You can use Google for it, or you can make a call to me. Next paragraph. Each time I read, I make a call on some quaint person, large or small. Quaint means attractive person, like joker, we can say. Quaint person may be tall or small, or fat or thin. Anyone. Unusual or old-fashioned and unattractive person. Okay? Who welcomes me with a hearty hand and leads me through his wonderland. That quaint person welcomes to the student, to the poet, into his wonderland by shaking his hand, welcoming him very heartily, generously. He's showing his grace to him, and many more. Third paragraph. Before that, what is Wonderland? Wonderland is like a dreamland, in where you can see so many slides, games. Your dream comes true. That is type of a wonderland. Okay. Each book is like a city street, along whose winding way I meet new friends and old who laugh and sing and take me off adventuring. Now, most of the people take their books to the adventures. The books are the memory of the students with the friends of them with whom they laugh, they sing, they anything. Understood? Like you do the naughtiness in the class with the help of book. You can any type of a relationship with the book along with your friends. See, vocabulary: quaint, unusual or old-fashioned and attractive. I told you before. Things to do: read the poem aloud and learn it. You have to learn this poem. The K in knight and the G in gnomes are silent. Write at least 10 other examples of a silent letter in words. You have to write this. Third, write in short what the child finds in the book. You have to write in a very particular short answer, like 5 points. You have to write the whole thing that child finds in the book according to the poem. Write about your favorite book, any one book, and what you find in it. Any book you can choose and you can write it. Now further, you have to join the Zoom call after watching this video, attending the Google form test, and the attendance will be shared by 7 p.m. You have to share this homework with me till 9 p.m. Okay? Write this poem in a very good manner. This poem I'm going to post on our Facebook page of our school. You can draw this type of a drawing also while writing. I'll share with you all that post. Okay? Thank you for watching the video.